Today we're here doing a smoke alarm canvassing event. We've partnered with the Red Cross, Dana Fire Department, and Edneyville Fire Department, and we're going door to door in the Wolfpen community installing smoke alarms.
So today we are installing free smoke alarms and checking pre-existing smoke alarms in homes to help make homes safer in this community.
Watch it. Fireplaces, space heaters, baseboards.
I've probably been up here a
Keep
couple
furniture
times.
set 3 feet away. And if you do this is about 3 feet from the middle of my chest to my feet.
So far it's been great. It's around lunchtime and we have already installed nearly 70 smoke alarms in homes today. If anyone in the community is interested in having smoke alarms installed in their homes, or even if they just want us to come by and check them, please call the Red Cross or Hendersonville Fire Department, and we're happy to come out and do that. Another really important thing to remember is to always test your smoke alarms to make sure that they're still working, and practice your escape route so that you know exactly where you're going to go if you do have a home fire.